Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a really fun video. We're heading over to unbox a rare, brand new Aprilia motorcycle. You guys seem to enjoy these, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, we have arrived at Warhorse of Camp Hill, and as is customary, we always like to just take a walk around the showroom and see what they have, because they're always getting new bikes in, and you know me, I want one of everything. Actually, there is a new bike back here, and I believe this is new for this year. So I showed you guys the R7s that they have. That color scheme is amazing. Yeah, they have a blue one they just got in. Look at these. How cool are these? I think these are MT-07s, I believe. I can't see that one, but look at this color with the wheels. That was the 09, this is the 07. Yeah, look at that. Matching. Those are badass. That's a really nice bike, actually. And that color on the wheels, absolutely incredible. Yeah, the Patronus F1 colors. Yeah, that's badass. Don't forget, guys, I now have a discount code at Warhorse. If you mention my name, you get money off everything in the building. There's the man himself, George. How you doing, buddy?
Doing great.
How's life? How's life at Warhorse?
I didn't know. Were we getting ready to go work out? Look
I
at those guns,
I just finished. Trying to be like you, dude.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be like you.
Good to see you guys.
Always a pleasure.
Are you checking out that?
Yes, the special bike.
Aprilia
We're going.
special bike.
Yeah, we're going back there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Look, they actually have more back there too. Damn. I think these are some of the most popular bikes that Yamaha sells. All of their MT series, their naked bike series. Super cool. Look at all those Aprilias over there. Oh my gosh. They're getting stuff cleaned out up top too. They're gonna be putting special bikes up there. Always fun stuff going on here at Warhorse. But let's go find out what's going on in the back. So back in the service area, if you guys saw our last video, we just did our essential front end mods on our giveaway BMW M1000R. Look at these tiny turn signals from Rizoma. We did the bar end mirrors from CRG, and we did the blacked out radiator guards. And the reason why we left it all undressed is because we're doing the full titanium exhaust next. Oh yeah, they did put those on too. So our blue reservoirs, remember we're doing all blue accent points for this, and of course we got all of our parts through Manny at Moto Million. You can use my code Campisi to save yourself some money there as well. But this isn't what we're here for today. Let's go see if we can find the bike in the back. All right, we just walked up the steepest ramp in history, and look where we are. The little secret unboxing area here at Warhorse of Camp Hill, and we have a brand new 2024 Aprilia. Limited, it's not a limited edition, but it is a limited color, right? You don't see this color very often. Yeah, so I'm really excited for this. So Caleb's helping us out here. You guys have seen him on the channel before, and I'm actually really excited. I've never seen an Aprilia unboxing before, let alone, teens, you can already see the color in here. You said you'd never seen this color? Actually, I've never seen one in person either. And he said when these come in, they just sell immediately, huh? Yeah, because I've never even seen one on the floor. That's how fast they sell. This one's probably already sold. What'd you say? The color?
Yeah.
It's acid gold, which is weird. I would more call this acid green
Or yellow.
or acid yellow. Yeah.
I've never seen a Aprilia this color before.
No, and it looks like this comes pretty assembled already. I thought that he would have to put some stuff on, but I'll show you guys the process as he goes through it. So obviously he's just opening up the box first, and there, actually you can see it right there. RS660 acid gold US. Then you can see that, I think the VIN number. So there you go. So this is available for sale, guys. And if you use my name, if you mention my name, Campisi, you'll save money on this bad boy too. Or is it sold already? I don't know. Stay tuned. Look at this. Just like that. He has it. Oh man, I actually love this color. That is badass. So I'm curious to see how this all, yeah, the mirrors are already on it. They must fold up. That's crazy. All right, I think it's time. Finally see this. Oh my gosh. Look at this color. That is gnarly. And I mean, we're not even really under good lighting up here, and it still looks insane. Damn, the red does look pretty sick with it, the wheels. So sad. I would probably choose black wheels, or carbon wheels on this would look insane. Teens, what do you think of that color?
I mean, it stands out.
It's pretty wild, huh?
Yeah, you're definitely gonna notice it wherever it
I guess I
goes.
could see how you would call it acid gold. I thought it was more of a yellow. I think it changes in the light too.
I bet it would look sick outside.
Yeah, maybe we'll show it in the sun at some point. But there it is, RS 660 in acid gold, 2024, brand new. Let's get it completely out and push it out, and I'll talk a little bit about it. Very carefully. Woo. That's no joke, dude. That's cool that they bend in like that. Do you have to take the whole seat off to get rid of this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we got it off the platform. Look at this color, it is insane. He said every time these come in, they literally sell the same day. It also comes with a lithium battery right there. I'm not sure what the make is. BS. That's a funny name. Yeah, it's a funny name for a battery. And then there's one more piece of plastic. Oh yeah, and actually there is another one right there, which is a special model, which I'll show you the dash and all that stuff.
Like a rose gold.
Yeah, the rose gold. It looks really good. So it has risers. So let's talk a little bit about this bike. 2024 Aprilia RS 660, coming in right around the 11,500 mark. It is a 660cc engine. So you get basically the front half of the RS V4 engine, which is really cool. 270 crank, making 100 horsepower. So it's basically an actual like lightweight middleweight motorcycle. How is that for you teens? Can you pick it up? There it is.
Pretty.
Yeah, so
Gosh, that's tall.
is it really? So it's taller.
I'm on my toes.
Yeah, so that was one of the reasons why you bought the V2 instead of this when we were looking at bikes for you.
I would not feel comfortable
Yeah.
riding this.
All Aprilias are tall, unfortunately. So she's 5'4", just for reference. If I sat on it, I'll sit on it a little bit later and show you guys. But yeah, I mean, they are. I was talking to Caleb about it. It's cool because they span the whole entire spectrum, from beginners to intermediate to experts. Like even I would want one of these to ride. They're like super cool bikes, and for what they are, you get basically 100 horsepower, all the riding aids of the bigger bikes. You get quick shift, cornering ABS, you get LED lights, and even the lights are really smart. So they have light sensing technology, so they will get brighter or darker as needed, and they can even angle around turns when you're turning, which is kind of insane. I mean, I don't even know many bikes that have that type of technology. And then of course you have 4 rider modes. You've got ABS, traction control, wheelie control, cruise control. I mean, it's kind of insane to have this on an entry-level bike. Like, and I think that they look really good. Like, look at that color, dude. It's freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and, teens, you want to turn the light on that one? Let's fold those out so you can see what they look like. Look at that. Like, I honestly think these almost look better than the RSV4s.
I like their dash. Hashtag be a racer.
Uh-huh.
When it
starts
turns
up.
on.
Just move this up a little bit there. Go ahead.
It looks like the start of a movie.
Look at how badass that
cinematics.
is. Yeah, so that's in commute mode. Look at that. You got a gas gauge, your odometer reading, all kinds of. You can connect to helmets, your temperature of your coolant level. There's your different rider modes. You can see it revs out to all the way up to 11.5 red line. Yeah, you can see average speed, fueling. I mean, there's tons and tons of stuff. You got your time over there. You got your auto headlights on. Yep, that's the horn, teens. Yeah, just really impressive little package of a motorcycle. High beams, low beams. And the turn signals are integrated into those too. You know, to see that? Look, they're integrated.
Really?
Yeah, right here. It looks really good. The mirrors fold in. They're just really nice bikes. It even comes with some carbon fiber on this one. This one's a little bit more expensive. It's a limited model. This is the 660 Extrema. These are 13,500, so 2K more for that model, which is really nice. I'm not sure if they put that SC Project on it or if it came with that, but that looks really good. Yeah, there's some carbon fiber pieces down there in the belly panel and stuff too, and that looks really nice. Give you guys a little sound. This one's brand new, so you want to let it warm up, but they really do sound phenomenal. And this is street legal too, so you can't expect too much. We'll let it warm up and then I'll rev it for you. Sounds pretty good, dude. For a little twin, I like it. But yeah, there you go. There's a acid gold, very rare version. I even like that the shock matches. They also have full Brembo braking system, which is really nice. It's not like the super high-end Brembo, but it's more than adequate for this one. And then it even has Pirelli Diablo Rosso tires. So, I mean, dude, for a package, you really can't beat that. Like, it's pretty damn impressive. So again, if you're interested, Warhorse of Camp Hill, mention my name. It'll save you guys some money on anything you purchase here, including this bike right here. If you would like to see me add one of these to my build series, let me know in the comment section below. People have been asking me for me to do like more beginner bikes that aren't so like intense to own and like insure and all that and live with. So this could be something that, you know, isn't so intense of what we normally give out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. But that's about it. We're just gonna come in, do a little unboxing for you. If there's other bikes that you guys would like to see unboxed, let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned for lots of events coming at Warhorse and more giveaways, or I'm sorry, more giveaway bike videos coming too. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Okay.